Bosch cooktop is not working suddenly. It's coming if you want to cook. You turn it on, choose this and turn on. And it's coming error. So now what you need to do, you must find your fuse box for house, because you cannot cook. It's not working, and it happens once per 2 months, something. I don't know why, what is the reason, but it happens. So now must go to fuse box. Okay, moment, wait. So now I'm in fuse box, and my is this fuse. Turn it off, wait 5 seconds and turn it on back and finish. Can go to oven. Now I come back, turn it on, choose this one and choose this, and voila, it's working again. So small restart and it's wake ups. See you next time.